This example I have secant square theta times sine square theta equals to secant to the power of 4 theta minus tan to the power of 4 theta plus secant to the power of 2 theta. Okay, so I definitely need to start from the right hand side of the equation. So I will have secant to the power of 4 theta minus tan to the power of 4 theta plus secant square theta. So here, as you see here, I have 1 over cosine to the power of 4 theta of sine to the power of 4 theta divided by cosine to the power of 4 theta plus 1 over cosine to the power of 4 theta. Then what I can do, this one is 1 over cosine squared. I can write it as cosine squared theta divided by cosine to the power of 4 theta to make it the same as the other fractions, the other denominators in the fractions. So I will have 1 minus sine to the power of 4 theta minus cosine to the power of 2 theta divided by cosine to the power of 4 theta. So here I will have 1 minus cosine squared, it will be sine squared theta minus sine to the power of 4 theta divided by cosine to the power of 4 theta. So here I factor sine squared theta. So it will be 1 minus sine squared theta divided by cosine to the power of 4 theta. So then it will be sine squared theta, and 1 minus sine squared theta will be cosine squared theta, and here I have cosine to the power of 4 theta. Then I cancel this one, and the 4 here, it will be 2, so it will be sine squared theta divided by cosine to the power of 2 theta. So I can write it like that, 1 over cosine squared theta times sine squared theta, and then it will be equal to secant squared theta times sine squared theta. That's exactly what I have on the left hand side of this equation.